As a magic enthusiast and hobbyist, finding an affordable magic table and storage is a challenge. However, this little thing that I found may just solve your magic storage and performance table dilemma. This is the Eloven monitor stand from IKEA, or IKEA, and is not just for holding your computer monitor. We're going to explore its non-conventional use as a magic demonstration table, platform and storage. Now, I stumbled upon this idea from other YouTube videos, like Caroline Raven's use of an IKEA kitchen shelf to display her playing cards, and other EDC channels using the Eloven monitor stand to store their EDC gear. So I thought, why not try it out for magic props? When the stand is paired with a hardback close-up pad, either from TCC, PropDog or Patrick's Mats, this monitor stand functions pretty much like the Mikami craft demonstration table. You can obviously get a pad that is cut to size or smaller, but this TCC pad that I have does not protrude too much that it tips over. Honestly, I don't think it looks too terrible if used at a magic convention booth or trade show booth. The stand measures 47 cm in width, 26 cm in depth, and 10 cm in height. The stand raises the performance surface of a regular height table to just the right height level with my wrist when my arm is naturally at my side. Perfect for cups and balls. The drawer has built-in compartments that work surprisingly well for storing magic props. The height of the drawer can accommodate 2 decks of playing cards stacked on top of each other, and the compartments on the side can also fit a deck of playing cards. Here is an example of what it looks like filled up with magic items such as playing cards, coins, sponge balls, sharpies, pedals, color-changing knives, wallets, and others. Now of course, the stand isn't made specifically for magic, so things might tend to move around or slide around, especially in the large compartment. But a simple lining with felt or non-slip material should easily prevent this from happening. The Eloven monitor stand comes fully assembled, making it easy to move around and rearrange your performance area. It actually looks great in a corner of your desk, ready for impromptu practice sessions. But let's not forget the best part, it's affordable. This IKEA gem won't break the bank and is a surprisingly good choice for magicians who are looking for a versatile and cost-effective solution for their performance table and storage needs. Overall, the stand may not be specifically made for magic, like say the TCC's Magician's Organizer, but it sure does work surprisingly well for this very purpose. So, even if you decide that it is not suitable for a professional show, I'm sure you can find a use for this little find. Do you have other found items that you use for magic? Let me know in the comments below. My name is Yin Hao, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.